Hey guys, Kimberly Thomason here with Vac MD, and this is Dyson UP19 or UP19, however you want to say that. I like UP19. And this Dyson came in because originally it was making a sighing noise. Woo! when it's running and when you turn it off. And Dysons do that. DC24s do it. This UP19 is doing it. There's two things that you need to check. The first thing that I always replace the filter, and replace it with a genuine filter, not a generic one, because the generic one may not work. And that might actually be the reason why it's doing that. If you just put a new filter on it, it's generic. But after I replaced it, it worked, but not completely. You can still kind of hear it there, and it bothered the customer, so we have to go to the second way of fixing it. And I am putting a link in the description below, and if you purchase a genuine filter from me, I will send you the other parts as well, so that way you got it all. But there is a black seal around here, and you can lift that black seal up, and what's happening is that black seal is not doing its job anymore. It's been compromised, and it's not doing its job, and it needs to kind of be thickened again. So I will send you some cord, sealing cord, that you can stick underneath, and I'll show you in a second. Stick underneath that black seal and thicken it again. So let me show you. Okay, so to start with, I use this little tool because it's going to help me lift up. And it just so happens I have these, and if you want, I can put a link to them on our site. These work really well, and 3 of them fit perfectly around. And all I will charge you is the cost of shipping. How about that? 3 of these fit perfectly around this Dyson. I'm sure you can go to Home Depot and get some sort of rubber seals like this. All right. So now you have your filter back on. Last video I did, I got yelled at a couple times by comments below saying, why didn't you turn it back on? And that is how a happy Dyson winds down, not noisily. So that's all you needed. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, comment below if it helped you out, comment below if I did something wrong. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and if you have any questions, you can text us, you can call us, you can send us a messenger pigeon. All right guys, have a good day.